It's a guide book.
The one that he has is a guide
No,
book.
ma'am, I'm telling you did not give.
I have to gift him a comic.
Yeah.
Don't worry about the comic
You gave
today.
Abdullah, but
Hamza, start. Let's start. Come on.
Three riddles.
Hamza, you have to be very close to the camera and speak, because when you're coming forward, that is the only time I can hear you.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. So first riddle is, imagine that you are going to a pyramid to explore it. And suddenly fell down and you get in the wall, and thanks to you there are three exits and the levers. In the if you pull the first lever, the right side door will open, and door behind you will open. The right side is won't stop counting and shooting till 20 minutes. And behind you there is a stone. If you pull the lever, the rock will fall down, and the third one has a bear behind it. So first lever will activate the first and second door. The third lever, second lever will activate the rock and the bear, and then the last lever will activate arrows and the bear. And there is 3 feet of gap.
I can't understand one word also.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
No, I know the answer. Can I
Ma'am,
say?
can you repeat the question, please? Can you first repeat? Ma'am, please repeat the question. Cheating, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll repeat the question. I don't know how far I could catch, but I'll try my best. Imagine you are exploring a pyramid, all right, and suddenly you're on top of the pyramid and you fall down. There is a hole and that sinks you, like, sucks you in, and you fall. You have 3 levers with you. You know what's a lever? The handle that you pull and then some door opens. Okay. So the first lever, when you pull, on your right hand side, a door opens, and at the back, 2 doors open. One on right and one at the back. Okay. One door has what?
The first door, then the right.
On the right has what?
Arrows.
Arrows. Okay, all the arrows will come straight if that door opens, and the one at the back has a bear that will attack you. If you pull the second lever,
the one behind you has a
yeah, I said the one behind you has a bear, right?
big roller.
Oh, boulder. Okay.
And then left side you have the
Okay,
bear.
left side is the bear. All right. Muhammad, yes.
In the boulder gate, and then you side हट जा, फिर bear का gate खोलो, bear बाहर आएगा, boulder को पटक देगा, फिर चले जा सकते हो.
Is he right, Hamza? No, you're not
Ma'am,
right.
please repeat the question correctly.
I'm repeating the question.
Ma'am,
only.
no, ma'am, he is
I'm
not
able to
Say the
understand.
full question, ma'am. Say the full question.
Yeah.
Hamza, mute and then unmute yourself, and by you only repeat the question, because your voice was cracking and we could not understand.
Unplug your earphones and then say. Don't speak.
Wear earphones now, Hamza. You have a headphone.
Ma'am, I have some internet connection problem, so I can't do it easily.
Yes. Mohammed Saqib, we understood that yesterday. Don't worry.
First lever will activate the arrows and the boulder. Second will activate the boulder and the bear. Third will activate arrows and the bear. Which one will you pick?
Ma'am, ऐसा करेंगे तो क्लास खत्म हो जाएगी.
Third one. Because he told the third lever will pull the arrow to the bear.
Can I answer, Hamza?
Yeah.
None of the levers I'll pull.
Why?
Because I am imagining that I'm on a pyramid. It's all in my imagination.
No. Yeah, he is correct. Because when so in between, so if the arrows go and you can dodge the arrows by lying down on the 3 feet ka gap. Arrows will hit the bear and they will kill him.
One minute. You never mentioned 3 feet gap, huh, Hamza? This is cheating.
Hey, I already did. You didn't hear, I guess.
Acha, he did. Who heard? Yaya, did you hear the 3 feet gap?
We didn't understand.
In the start, ma'am, I heard in the start he said.
I heard.
Okay. All right.
Ma'am, you
Then
are
we
wrong.
give it to
Ma'am,
Yaya. Excellent, Yaya. Good.
Ma'am, can I say my riddle?
1 minute. 1 minute I'm sparing. I'll give chance to Anas. Okay, because he spoke first.
No, ma'am, but it is chance of Hamza.
Oh, Hamza only. Sorry. Hamza gets 5 chances. Hamza, you have only 1 minute. You have only 1 minute. Now, then your chances get carried forward.
The second question is, when you are
Don't shake so much.
and then you see the wall is cracking and a big boulder comes and you run fast. It is getting a bit trapped in the middle of the big rocks in the gap, but it just still can make you. So you have you come to some places. You have in front of you there are metal rods, and even if you touch them a bit, there is a crossbow which will aim at you and kill you as soon as you do that. And then the direct down of you there is 1 feet gap. You can lie down on it and the boulder can go. And in the side of you there are sharp blades with pointy head. So which one will you pick?
See, I know the answer. See, what I will do is, I have a bear behind me, so I will let the bear come. Then I will go to the iron rod. Then I will go to the iron rod and I will jump and I will get on the side and he will jump on the iron rod and he will get hit. Ching, and the bear will die.
Thank you for the background. Ching,
I think this from movie. This is copy from some movie. I've seen this. Someone just tells them to and then she goes for rocks. I've seen this some movie.
Ma'am, can I say? Can I say?
Okay, Hamza, I would like to stop you there. I am sorry. I would like to. Yeah.
Ma'am, please, I want to say.
Mom, can I say one?
All right. How about we all mute ourselves first? Yes, everybody. Kindly mute yourselves.
Pass, Hamza, pass.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Hamza. Those were actually some brain teasers. Okay, these were not riddles. These were brain teasers that made us think. And because due to the internet connection that's there, it was lagging a lot and many of us couldn't get what it is. But some heard you and they attempted to answer. All right. So with this, we'll move ahead.
Ma'am, please, ma'am. I know the answer. Ma'am.
I have very awesome.
Ma'am, I have heard. I gave you the comic.
Yes.
I gave
from
you
that
the
I
comic.
got inspired and I bought one comic to you in class. So what are we going to do right now is
Stanley made it. Stanley.
Yes, Stanley. Okay, so now I want characters. So, Chakra, the comic. I have certain students' names who will okay. So let me heads of students.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Ibrahim.
Time to feel the power. Solar chakra, activate. Ha 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 ha. Another awesome saved by Mumbai's favorite hero. This little rock here will make a great
Souvenir. Oh, 1 minute. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's have Muhammad and Hamdan step in. Muhammad Mohammadi and Hamdan.
who am I?
Okay, Mohammed, you are the red t-shirt boy, and Hamdan, you are the green t-shirt boy. And Aisha, you will be Leela. All right? Let's go. Mohammed.
Boom! I nailed you with my solar blast, just like Chakra.
No way! I put up my unbreakable force field just in time and blocked it.
Hey, can I play?
No.
Well, yeah.
I made my own superhero too. Check her out. Her name's Mighty Girl, and she's got really cool powers.
Mohammed.
You don't play with dolls, Leela. You gotta have real action figures.
Girls can't be superheroes.
Okay. This one, let's who can we choose for the orange t-shirt guy? Anas, go.
Yes,
Anas, go. Anas, go.
Why don't you go home and play dress up with your baby dolls?
Okay.
Grrr. Hey, Leela. Check out
Yes, continue.
what I hey. What's wrong?
Nothing you ever have to worry about, Raju. You are a superhero and a boy.
Raju. What's being a boy?
What's being a boy got to do with anything?
Okay, let me be the Leela's mother. Okay, Leela, get up here at once, Leela. You still have chores to do.
But Mom, I wanted to play for a bit.
Chores come first. Get up here now.
I gotta go, Raju. I'll talk to you later.
Wait, check this out before you go.
Oh, 1 minute.
Ooh, what is it?
Isn't it cool? I got it from space.
Aisha, you have to read, bacha.
Wow, it feels.
Yeah, I can't see that part.
Oh, okay. Now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow, it feels cold and hot at the same time.
Okay. So your zap. You know what is happening over here?
The superhero souls are getting in there.
Souls are getting switched. That's right, Umar. Excellent. Okay, so Leela's soul is going in Raju and Raju's soul is coming in Leela. And same thing we are going to apply while we read. Now, Ibrahim will read all the Leela's dialogues.
No, ma'am.
All right. And this one, Aisha will read all Chakra's dialogues. All right. Ibrahim, what was that reaction for?
Okay.
Gender equality, bro. All right.
You're me.
All of you at the same time. Yes. One.
You're me.
Come on, Ibrahim.
I'm you, Raju.
Yeah, so
That means I'm
you can't do that, Leela. You're not trained.
well. Neither were you when.
You just can't. I'm Chakra.
Thank you.
Oh no!
Oh yes, this is awesome.
Now it isn't. I am the only one who can stop that thing.
I can do it. I can be Chakra.
Leela! What did I just tell you? Get up here at once.
Did your mother see that little monster?
Arey, Aisha Kazi
Better
continue.
go. The only way to protect your secret identity. Also, you don't want to get me in trouble.
Oh, fine. But be careful, Leela.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right,
Ah.
go.
Ha! Yes.
I
You
you
can
don't read size. Size is an action, okay? Oh,
just remember, you can only use one chakra power at a time.
Well, see about that. Sorry, Raju. Got to fly. Enjoy the.
Show off.
okay. Here you are.
I'm there.
Hi, miss. Mom.
Come here. Your father and brother will be home soon. We've got to clean up before they get here.
Clean up. Can't I do my homework instead?
Housework comes first. You can do your homework later.
Scroll down, ma'am.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
All done finally.
Great. Now you go make tea for your dad. He'll be home any minute.
Me make tea?
Stop acting like you don't do this every day. Go on.
Ah, Mom, I think I need some help.
Leela? It's like you've never made tea for your dad before.
Just having Jan off day.
Just
An off
having
day.
an off day. All right. I'll be the father, don't worry. And how about I get Abdullah and Yahya as the
brothers.
of Leela? Yeah, come on. Could you get me some cookies, Leela?
Us too,
Abdullah
cookie.
and
Us. Leela
Leela Didi.
Didi.
Come on, Abdullah and Yahya have to speak together.
Can I have a cookie too, Mom?
Don't be silly, Leela. You don't want to get fat, do you?
Ha, but Rohan and Mohan get to eat all the cookies.
They are boys. They don't need to worry about their looks, silly.
I am the news reporter.
How about... Okay, go ahead.
We are coming in.
I like this one.
Ma'am, we are coming in Mumbai, where Chakra is easily defeating the Martha's teacher and attacking in the city.
Go, Chakra, go.
Okay.
Wow, she is using 2 powers at once. I can't even do that.
The shield. Can someone go?
Arey, say go, Leela.
Go, Leela, go.
Ibrahim.
Chakra kicks monster butt.
Chakra has delivered another blow. Mohammed, read.
Huh? Acha. And Chakra delivered
Can I go out and play now, Dad?
Arey, Baba, who will read this? Anyone wants a cookie? Ibrahim, what are you doing?
Anyone want a cookie?
All right. Now we switch. Okay. The another pair that will read is Muhammad, Mommy and Juveria. All right. Now you will start from this side. Muhammad Mohammadi and Juveria. Are you ready? Okay. So Muhammad Mohammadi, you are Chakra. You are Leela, and Juveria, you are Chakra. All right. Because the souls have been switched. All right. So you guys have to read accordingly. And whatever background music Muhammad Mohammadi was doing, how about Muhammad Saqib does that now? Okay?
Ma'am, see that Chakra kicks monsters butt.
Go ahead, Muhammad. Oh my God. You want to see that? Where is Chakra doesn't kick monsters, but where is it?
Ma'am, go up.
Oh,
Go
yeah,
down,
yeah,
go
yeah. Okay, the headline. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah.
the headline. Okay. Okay. Mohammed Mohammadi, start. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, Mohammed Mohammadi, start. Can I go out and play? Mohammed Mohammadi, are you with us?
Are you?
Are
Can
you
I go
with us?
out
Yeah.
and play now, Dad?
Finish cleaning up with your mother first. Then you can start your homework.
But Rohan and Mohan haven't done any chores. They just have to go out and they just get to go out and play.
No arguments, Leela.
Leela Didi. Thanks, Leela Didi.
Leela,
This is Juveria. Okay.
did you see me out there, Rohan? I totally kicked some monster's butt.
We've got to switch back, Leela, please. More.
Huh? What you
What you talking about?
talking about about your
Raju.
Raju?
I had to do the housework and dishes, make tea, clean up, to do your homework, and I can't take it anymore. We have to switch back.
Is that all, Raju? I do that every day. It's no big deal.
But you shouldn't have to. I mean, I don't have to do any of that stuff at all. Neither do your brothers. It's not fair. Oh, the red boy, ma'am, red boy.
Ha, the red boy is the same person who we had given it
Red
to.
boy.
Who was
I
it?
was the red boy.
Achha, you were the red boy. Okay, Mohammed Saqib will be the red boy now. All right.
No, it's not fair, but it can change. I know that. Maybe you can help me change it.
Thanks, Leela.
You bet I will, Leela.
Eh? Acha, you bet I will.
Okay, now this.
Now I think these things mean to have one last child left.
What do you say?
What do you say?
We switch.
But once we do, there is one thing I need you to help me with.
One quick switcheroo.
Okay.
With the green guy.
Now they are back. Okay, now the souls are back. So Juveria will read the Leela and Mohammed will be the Chakra. Mohammed Mohammadi.
Oh boy.
Oh boys.
Oh
You're
boy.
calling. Okay. Come on.
Mohammed
Hamdan and
Saitama. That Raju is Saitama.
come on, Hamdan and Mohammed Saqib. Are you there?
Ma'am, who is
There.
first?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Hamdan will start, then Mohammed. Okay.
That's the green guy.
What?
We told you to get lost, Leela. You're not a superhero material.
Yeah. Go back to your doll house. You don't know anything about superheroes.
Why don't you ask my friend here about he thinks about that?
What he thinks about that?
What he thinks about
Now, Adela,
Yes.
thanks for your help in fighting that monster, Leela. I couldn't have beaten it without you.
Come on, Hamdan.
Leela, you know Chakra?
You know me, Mohammed Mohammadi.
Does she know me? Leela taught me everything I know.
Wow.
Okay. Hamdan, Mohammed Mohammadi. Come on.
And I'm
Show your latest action figures.
Juveria.
Only if mighty girls can play with them.
Sure.
Mohammed Saqib.
Mighty girls can be a part
Of
of
our.
us.
Yes. Juveria.
Great. Now how about if mighty girls
Ma'am?
use the super team?
taking advantage, huh?
The end. Keep quiet. Now I want Aisha Aga as the mighty girl and Hamza as Chakra to read this out for us. Okay? Aisha Aga.
We hope our story showed you why it's important to treat girls and boys equally.
Just cause somebody's gender
Just cause somebody's gender is different from yours doesn't mean you treat them any different. And what's more, tell your parents that they should do the same.
Hamza. Hamza, do I have with you? Do I have you with me, Hamza?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead, read the chakra dialogue, Hamza.
Ma'am, this Leela is taking advantage, huh?
Keep quiet, huh?
Ma'am,
She did.
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes, ma'am.
cannot
Very
tell that.
advantage. Cheating, ma'am.
Let
Cheating.
me come to that. Okay,
ma'am,
okay.
I wanted
Come to
to
that.
become leader of the team. क्या उसको अंदर लेना?
Okay, we'll come to that. We'll come to that. We are come to that. Hamza, we can't hear you. It's okay. Hamza, we can't hear you. Is it okay if I give that chance to Umar? I think there's some internet issue. Hamza, can I give you a chance for? Okay, thank you, Hamza. Go ahead.
Chakra.
Yes, the chakra.
That's right, mighty girl. We all gotta work together to help reach the sustainable development goal of gender equality, treating boys and girls as the equals. And that starts with your at home. The world's counting on us, so I hope you all enjoy.
Enjoyed what he put his own. All right.
Ma'am,
Okay.
they copied Avengers.
And it was very interesting and fun.
Yes. The comic, I found it so, of course, Ibrahim.
Avengers, Avengers are better than them.
All right. We are not here to judge who Chakra is and what superhero is. Let's
Ma'am,
get,
when
okay.
I went
What
to
did you
Comic
get?
Con this, I got another comic. There are 5 to 6 parts of this.
Yes, there are a lot of parts, each focusing on different SDG, okay? And because we gender equality, I thought this would be the best way to, like, you know, because we all like superheroes and the stories. So I thought this would be the best way to, you know, make it an interactive class. And so everybody has to tell me one point they learned from this, or something new that they realized, or maybe it is not new, it is they already knew about it but never spoke. Okay, so everybody will get a chance. Everybody will get a chance, and you have to tell me one point that you got from this comic. Come on, we'll start with squad numbers. Okay, I'm going to call out the squad numbers and then you have to tell me. Okay, we'll go with squad number 9. Aisha Aga. Squad number 9. One thing you took from or learned from this comic. Aisha Aga. I don't know if she can hear me. Oh, she just left the meeting. Okay, I get very different versions of gender equality, the spelling, to be honest. Okay. All right. Let two people who are raising hand. All right, we'll not go squad number wise. Okay, let me see your hands up like good children, and I'll give you a chance to speak. Okay, who will tell me? Yeah, go ahead.
Ma'am, girls do more work than boys, but then also girls are not treated equally as much boys.
Okay, very good. Yeah, an excellent point kept forward. He said girls tend to do more household work than boys, yet girls are not treated equally when it comes to work. All right, that is his opinion. That's his point. Okay, very well said. Aisha Kazi.
I learned from the comic book that only not a boy can be a superhero, even a girl that has talents can be a
Superheroine or supergirl
Heroine.
or super, yeah. All right, lovely point. Not so superhero doesn't mean that there are only boys superheroes. We have girls as well. Okay, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, girls, boys are equal. They should tend equally. They should all get work equally. Girls shouldn't get more or boys shouldn't get more. Girls superhero fans are also there. They also love superheroes.
Right, there are girls who are fans of superheroes as well. Humaira Qasim, go ahead. Tell me, what did you learn from this comic? Or how is it? Whether did you like it? Did you understand? Was there anything you did not understand? What is your experience? Tell me. Okay, Hamza. Humaira doesn't wish to answer, no problem. We'll go to Hamza. Hamza, come on, tell us.
Yes, sir. I learned
What is it that you take from this comic? Come on.
from the comic that is most people only girls,
Okay.
girls comic book. So that even girls can be great superheroes.
Yes.
You wasn't able to use
Yes.
power.
Okay. Lovely point. All right. Anas, how about you? Anas, Hamdan, go ahead. Unmute yourself.
See the quality, if it is girl or boy.
Definitely, you should not pay attention much to gender when it comes to task, whether it's a girl or a boy. Hamdan Fazlani.
Ma'am, they heard that only girls can do. It is not that only girls can do. Also, boys can. Girls can
Right.
also play outside.
Situation made the interchanging of souls, made Raju do all the household chores, and that is the day Raju realized that how difficult every day is for Leela, whereas for him it's just a call of duty and he just goes away. Of course, that is also a very difficult job to save the world. All right, I am not disregarding or looking down upon the work that boys do. Okay, and like I always say, we are not comparing the two genders in terms of physical appearance and the strengths they hold. We are here to treat everybody equally when it comes to their status, the amount of respect, the task, the work. Okay, so let us have this mindset of equality. Yeah, it's a mindset. It's let us make it our lifestyle. Let us ingrain in us. Okay, yes, Juveria, go ahead.
Ma'am, in that comic book, the mother said that girls can only have to be in proper shape and boys can they can just lie around. But girls can't
Lovely.
eat junk food and everything. They have to eat at proper time.
Excellent. So what is that?
The,
That's
yes,
stereotyping, right? Yes, in the previous class, I had doubts to take this class, and he told you what stereotyping is, right? Few of you knew the meaning of what stereotyping is. Some of you gave examples, and that was brilliant, excellent on your side. Okay, so that is stereotyping that girls only have to be in shape, only girls have to look good, and boys can look the way they want. They can be out of shape, no problem. They are not going to have any problem. Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Rushta here has a point. She said, I had no idea Indian girls had to do so many household chores. Right, Rushta, we are a lucky lot over here of girls, or I wouldn't call it to be lucky, honestly. It should be normal. This thing should be normal where girls are not overburdened with the household chores. All right. They do it because they enjoy or it is their choice, and I feel both boys and girls should divide the work.
Ma'am, I want to.
Yes, yeah, please.
Ma'am, there is one village in that there is only boys, no girls are there.
How are the boys coming
Only
in world
boys.
then? Like,
Only boys, no girls.
Are you
It's
serious?
in India only.
Oh my
I
god.
saw in Bright Side.
Oh my god.
Shouldn't
But the
believe
boys have
everything
I did
mothers,
not
Bright Side
right?
understand.
said.
He said I did not understand.
He says there's a village in India. That's the saddest part. The village in India has only boys population. They have no girls.
When they have no mother, so the mother does not give birth to a girl.
Girl, no. Yeah, do they have mothers?
Ma'am means no birth of girl, only boy.
Acha, girls are not being born. If the girls are born, then maybe they kill them or something. I don't know.
No, ma'am.
That's called female infanticide. That's called
What
female
about the
infanticide.
mother?
Mothers are there. Who will give birth to the boys then? Mothers have to be there, right? Fathers cannot give birth to boys, right? Alright.
After the mother give birth, they kill them.
No.
They're still there.
Yeah. But only if a girl child is born, then she gets killed. Okay, Hamdan, yeah.
Hi, ma'am. Ma'am,
Oh my god.
such a comic, that old song, ma'am. सर जो मेरा चक्रा है दिल डूबा जाए तेल
Right, Aja Pyare Saath Hamare. Kahe ko bhai. Okay. Yes, Abdullah. Been raising hand and yawning since a long time. Right?
Ma'am, it is like
Oh my
that.
god.
It
I
is
don't
not.
like it. When the child gets chance, the internet. Yeah.
It is not like that. Only boys can play. Girls can't play with them. Girls can also play. It's like in our colony, girls are better players in badminton than us, and sometimes they play football better than us also. That's why we don't have to do like that.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Abdullah. Muhammad, listen to him, okay?
And one
Listen
thing,
to-
ma'am, and one thing. Why is it always that girls, girls are like people say, people give only calm to girls only because
Uh,
after shadi also they calm, and then it is like that, ma'am. So why is it like that?
You have to repeat your question because there was a lag in your voice and I couldn't understand. Can you repeat it?
Ma'am, why does it is always like girls have to only do the work because uh, uh, because
Because even
like,
after
it
marriage,
is
girls do work only. Yeah.
yes because fathers just go into the office. Mothers do everything. They stay in the house. They have so much work to do. And when they are bimar also, then also they work so much.
Okay. A very good question raised by Abdullah, all right. But let me address this, okay? This, I have come across a lot of students who tell me, or when we have discussion on gender, especially, a lot of students tell me that, mothers do a lot of work, fathers don't do any work, they just have to go to office.
Actually, they don't even go to
no.
office. They just sit on the bed with their laptops on their tummies, and then they watch cricket the whole time.
All right. Maybe a few fathers do that. But here, the topic that we are discussing over here is gender equality. Okay. Now, as much as I am an advocate of feminism and I promote female and equality of women and all that, let us not disregard the males as well. Okay. Because
Fathers don't do any work. Fathers do, but it is always the household comes on the girls. Why it is always like that?
yes.
That they have
Okay. So, all right.
wash the dishes and
Okay. So right from the ancient time, because people were illiterate then, all right, they thought that men are the ones who have to go out and earn money and women are the ones who have to stay at home and do the household work. All right. And that custom and tradition has been passed on from generation to generation. And trust me, children, because of that mindset and that concept that those illiterate people during the olden times, um, people have divided the roles into male and female. Like say, gender has no role, gender has no job. It is equal in status. It should have equal work
Ma'am,
as
and
well.
many slaves
Correct.
were also there.
So yes, a lot of slaves, female or women, were not treated well. That is why there were a lot of revolution and lot of movements that came out where people said that no, let us give women also equal rights. Excuse me, God never said, or like the one who created never said that women have to do the household work. Nowhere is it mentioned. It was you who decided. It was the people who decided onto it. Okay, so that is where all the how we say
And ma'am, people say that.
From
misunderstandings got
now
created.
And ma'am,
from
people
now
say.
on, don't
And
call
ma'am,
girls boys. Call students or
when
rights.
ma'am, when
Right,
a
students, my
Don't
rightians.
call
All
that
right.
girls
Yeah.
boys. Don't divide them. Just call rights
ma'am,
student or call them from the
Definitely
name.
not.
Call them from the name. Do not
Right.
divide at the girls
Yes.
and the boys.
ma'am, when
Hmm.
girls say
Correct. And as girls also go to office. Now the situations have changed. Like people like you and me who are learned, who know, okay, girls need to be given, or we should become at treating both the genders equally. If a boy comes up to me says, I want a car, and he says, I want a Mercedes, that makes you happy. Girl walks up to me, tells me, I want an Iron Man figurine. Go ahead, girl, buy that because that is what makes you happy. All right, if a girl tells to become a computer engineer, an astronaut, go ahead. It's you have to be yourself. If that is what interests you, if that is what you wish to do it truly, go ahead.
Ma'am,
Okay,
and ma'am,
can I
that's
ma'am,
so
you
this
know,
is what gender equality is about. 1 minute. I'll just a time out. Juveria has been raising her hand since a long time. I'd like to give her a chance. Go ahead, Juveria.
Ma'am, if somebody marries a chef, so the chef has to do the household and the girl will go to the office and work.
Lovely, lovely. I love it. There is an Indian movie called Key and Ka, all right, where the male stays at home, does all the household chores, and the woman goes, Kareena Kapoor and Arjun Kapoor, all right. The woman goes out and works in the office, like wearing the tuxedo and stuff like that. You know what? Stereotypes. Okay, movies like these need to be encouraged and to be broken stereotype. All right, it will not make you less of a man if after eating you pick your plate and put it in the sink, or even for that matter, you want to help your you want to add on to the help in the house, you wash your dish and you keep it.
ma'am, I do it.
Children, it will not make you less of a man. You
Ma'am,
will
I do
still
it.
be the man you are.
And ma'am, my mother divides the.
Babysit
Ma'am, I do that.
the boy will babysit the children and the girl will go to work.
ma'am, can I say?
Lovely. If the boy can do babysit the children more better, go ahead. Go ahead. I know there are fathers who take better care of their infants than the mothers. The infant is crying, the mother doesn't know what to do. The father is there warming milk and feeding the child and making the child quiet.
Ma'am,
Lovely.
Ma'am, what should I do?
And
Mother and father both go to work.
excellent. You do the work.
Ma'am, if
Yes.
the girls and boys do not want to work, so we can instead take turns of doing that. That would be a nice idea.
Yes, yes. If that
There
helps
is
in the
no
house,
one at home.
not only household.
Not only, yeah, I'm just saying office.
Only
My
earlier.
father works and he's an advertiser, like you know. So ma'am,
Ma'am?
he works with an client who's which is a girl, and she's very awesome in the Hindi fonts and the advertising.
Lovely. My brother makes better anda bhurji than me. What are you talking? I mean, it's amazing. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
my
Come on.
nana makes better dal chawal than my nani.
There you are. There you are.
ma'am,
Already,
when we
I
were
love this
going,
generation.
ma'am, when we were going in a taxi, so one time one car came in the same taxi only. One car came who a man was driving and he went like roughly. So the taxi driver didn't say anything. And when a girl came driving, so he shouted her. So ma'am, this is cheating. Now he should tell them. And people say कि लड़की driver है अच्छे से नहीं चलाती है ऐसा.
I know this is one stupid notion. I was on Instagram. I spent an unhealthy amount of time on Instagram. I'll tell you. And I read this
You
post.
have it.
Yes, I'm on Instagram. Okay, so I'll just read it. I was reading it. I could remember, I could only like, this thing. I remembered my rights when I read this, and I couldn't help but imagine my right boy is doing this. So the post says, there is this girl. I was on my usual running path when I heard an older man yelling loudly for me to hear through my headphones, "Hey lady, hey, hey, hey lady." He kept screaming it, and I decided to just ignore him and kept running. This ignoring seemed to piss him off, and he lashed out and said, "Get lost, you dumb woman." Keep in mind, he was well dressed. The old man was to be on his lunch break from his office or something. And that part that, "Get lost, you dumb woman," triggered her, and she just removed her headphones, and she was about to stand up and tell, like, tell the old man. But right then, a little boy who was walking alongside his mother and little sister in a stroller looked at the old man and said, "Hey, that is not nice to say to her. And she did not like you yelling at her. She is a nice girl, and I don't let anyone say mean things to people. She is like." This old man immediately got embarrassed and started taking all his belongings. Who was on her jog, she said, she asked the boy's mother if she could hug him, and his name was James. And she told him that how grateful she was. And what, how James reacted? He said he just shrugged it off. He said, "Well, I just wanted to make sure your heart was okay." Okay, so this is a typical day in James' life, like, and the girl posted this to thank all the mothers who are raising boys like James, who stand up. Like, in spite of being a little boy, he still stood up to the older man who was stereotyping the girl on her normal walk for running. All right. So I couldn't help but imagine my right
the
boys.
age of the that
Old man, he must be in his 30s or something.
Why would you
Okay.
call him
So
an old
this
man if he was
story
in
really
30s?
touched my heart. An older man, so he must be older to the lady,
Not that old, like Buddha Buddha.
No, senior citizen kind of.
Well coated. How he'll be well coated when he's old?
Right.
Ma'am, can I show you
Okay.
something?
Ma'am, it is 11.
Later, it's 5. It's already about 5. All right.
Ma'am, can I show 1 minute video?
You have an assignment posted.
I
Okay.
don't know. A female Muhammad Saqib was going to school.
Yes, you can do it in your free time. Okay. So I'll end the meeting here. Okay. You have an
Ma'am,
assignment
there will
posted.
be a class after this, right?
I'll see.
There will be
Ma'am,
a
please,
class
ma'am.
after this, right?
Ma'am, in can I speak?
Fine.
There
It is
are
Mandela.
The assignment that has been posted, do not do it right now. Do not. Or you can go ahead and do it. You can just go and research on one female athlete that you like and get her inspiration story. I've given the picture. So no, right now at 11:45, I posted an assignment on Google Classroom. Go ahead and do it.
ma'am,
Okay, and bring that assignment to.
in English, what that bossy words, how we will know किसमें कौन सा डालने का है word.
The option is given now. How you follow the instructions? We did the instructions, right? Draw a circle. Now put the rectangle into the circle. Okay, it's the
मैम
same
तो
way.
कौन सा word किसमें आएगा कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा? अगर wrong
So
sentence.
that is okay, Anas. It is okay to do mistakes. And second, Anas, when you read the sentences, you will come to know it's a recipe. Okay, it's a recipe in the English workbook, and the words are in the box. So you just have to read the sentence and see which one suits the best. We'll discuss it in the class. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Take care.
See ya.